that which does not kill us makes us stronger. This powerful statement speaks to Nietzsche's philosophy of overcoming adversity. Rather than seeing hardships as mere obstacles, Nietzsche suggests that they are opportunities for growth and self-empowerment. Suffering, struggle, and even failure are seen as essential components of human development, providing the resilience and wisdom necessary to face future challenges. Through facing what seems unbearable, individuals become more capable, more determined, and ultimately stronger, both mentally and emotionally. Nietzsche's idea here also ties into his belief in the concept of becoming. The idea that life is a constant process of transformation. Strength, in this sense, is not simply the result of avoiding hardship, but comes from engaging with and surviving difficulties. The struggle itself is an integral part of what makes us who we are, and in overcoming obstacles, we gain the capacity to rise above them in the future.